My name's Amy from Vanlux, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2021 Volkswagen Transporter Camper. This vehicle has done just over 14,000 miles. It has a manual transmission and a diesel fuel type. As we step inside, we can get a good view of the kitchen area, which is complete with a cooker, sink and fridge. Moving on to the first of our two double beds, as we'll be able to see from the pictures, this transforms into two belted seats, making this camper 4 belts, 4 berth. On the steering wheel we have features such as cruise control and voice control. We also have automatic headlights. On the screen, using the buttons to the left, we can access radio, media and menu. To the right we have smartphone integration, Apple and Android CarPlay and MirrorLink and voice control. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with parking sensors. Just below the screen we have our AC, as well as heated seats on either side. And if we pan the camera around, we can get a good view of our pop top. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.